two sisters, Elsa and Anna.
Elsa, let's play. Do your magic again.
Anna, I can't. It's dangerous.
Please, just a little.
Anna, I didn't mean to. After the day, Elsa hides her power and stays away from Anna. Years later, Elsa becomes Queen Beth during her coronation.
Elsa, why are you always avoiding me?
You don't understand. I'm different. Monster, monster, monster! I can't stay here anymore.
Let it go.